Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to send Dogecoin from Uphold to Bitmart in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets smoothly between exchanges for trading, staking, or just better management. Don't worry, I'll walk you through this step by step, so even if you're a beginner, you'll nail it in no time. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Uphold and Bitmart, and that you have some Dogecoin in your Uphold wallet. Start by logging into your Uphold account. Once you're in, head over to your dashboard and find the Dogecoin section. It's usually under your Assets or Wallet tab. Next, you'll need the deposit address from Bitmart. Open a new tab or window and log into your Bitmart account. Go to the deposit section, select Dogecoin, and copy the wallet address provided. Double-check that it's for the Dogecoin network to avoid any mix-ups, as crypto addresses can be tricky. Now, back in Uphold, navigate to your Dogecoin balance and look for the Withdraw or Send option. Paste the Bitmart address into the recipient field, then enter the amount of Dogecoin you want to transfer. Remember, crypto transactions often come with network fees, so check those details before confirming. It's usually a small amount, but it adds up. Hit the Confirm button, and you'll likely need to verify this with two-factor authentication for security. Once that's done, sit tight. Transactions can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion in 2025. Keep an eye on your Bitmart account to confirm when the Dogecoin arrives. A quick word of caution: always verify addresses to prevent sending your coins to the wrong place. That could mean losing them forever. Also, ensure you're using the correct network. Dogecoin typically uses its own, so don't mix it up with something like Ethereum. And there you have it. Your Dogecoin is now on its way to Bitmart. This process keeps getting easier with tech advancements, so you're all set for 2025 and beyond. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.